Welcome to this new section. This is part 11. In each part, we are discussing the 10 questions which are related to piping engineering, and these are the questions which are generally asked in interviews. So let us see what are the 10 questions which we are going to cover in this part. What is a valve? What is its definition? What are its main functions? Okay, why valves are required? Why different type of valves have present in chemical industry? Why so many valves are available in the chemical industry? So we'll discuss something about that. What is the estimated percentage of cost which is connected with pipe with respect to piping, total piping cost? So that everybody should have some idea. What does a valve do? What are the basic principles? Okay. What are various types of valves? Major category of valves used in chemical industry. What are various types of valves under various categories? So this is something which every piping engineer should know. Any interviewer during interview can ask such question. So this is going to be very informative section. So let us see how the answers are in the answer section. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics in we discussed in length. All those small, short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute Funda series, 150 plus videos are there. So all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API, ASME clauses we discussed. All are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss, many more videos will be there, and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.